If any European Union nation takes 60,000 migrants, don't they automatically become EU citizens? In which case quotas are meaningless because they'll have the right to choose us, and they are choosy rather than desperate. It's not just...
No, that's not true. You see, that's another lie. People aren't choosing this country over other countries in Europe. That's not true.
Why are there so many in Calais? Why do they tend to choose London?
150,000 people arrived in Italy. How many are there in Calais? A couple of hundred. Where does the other 145,000 go? See, they're not all coming here. That's another lie. And you hear it over and over and over again, and people believe it. It's just not true.
Well, certainly, I mean, the ones who are interviewed on television tend to say they intend to come here.
Well, yes, but that's because they're in Calais trying to get here, Ray. But what about the other 140... There's not 145,000. If 150,000 arrived in Italy, and there's how many in Calais? A couple of 100,000 at the most? So that's 149,000 people who have decided to stay somewhere other than... arriving in Calais in order to come here. But that's what you hear all the time, because you only see the people in Calais. You didn't see the people that have decided to go to Germany and Ukraine and France and Spain and Italy and all these other places. You just see the ones that are climbing on lorries because that's newsworthy here.
But that's not desperation. That is choosy. Why don't they apply for asylum in France?
Well, you know what? They asked people, and you know what they said?
Well, it goes on about the language, but I was talking
No, well, yeah, okay, the language is beneficial. Well, wait a minute, the language is beneficial, yes, because everybody speaks English, fortunately for us. Isn't that nice? You go on holiday and everybody speaks English, so there is that. But the thing that they said... time and again, when these people were asked, why are you trying to get to this country was, and I couldn't believe it when I read this, but more people said it than would be... enough people said it that you would believe that what they were saying was true, is they think we're nicer than the people that they've met in France and Germany and Italy and so on. They want to come here because they think it's nice here.
Well, don't they listen to the radio?
Well, that's my point exactly. Yes, they don't know us very well. They can't listen to the radio, no. But I suppose if you go through Europe and you have a hate-filled time in France and people in Italy are throwing stones at you, and you go to Germany and you get abused and kicked in the street, then you just keep moving until you think that you'll find somewhere where you will be more accepted, where you might not actually be killed while you're sleeping in a shoe shop doorway at night. And that's what they think that is it's like here.